My dear friends and member of Indian Association Cambodia, it gives me immense pleasure to greet all of you on the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti today. As you are aware, the Makar Sankranti is a festival of thanksgiving to Mother Nature for spreading health, wealth and happiness around. The festival is dedicated to Lord Surya. The festival of Makar Sankranti is associated with Rangoli and kite flying. Government of India has planned to celebrate this festival along with making of Rangoli and symbolic kite flying all around the world. Today we would join together in making Rangoli, and which is an art form, is a type of decoration drawn on ground with the use of colors. Rangoli is done during festivals and other important celebrations like Diwali, Onam, Makar Sankranti, Pongal, etc. India is a land of festivals. I am pleased to state here that we are also in the midst of celebrating other festivals like Lohri we have celebrated yesterday, Pongal, Bihu in Assam as well. All of these festivals are harvesting festivals and celebrated in different parts of India. All the festivals mark end of winter season and arrival of spring season in India. All these festivals are an occasion for the people to get together, to enjoy, to eat food together. Along with Rangoli and kite flying, our government has also planned to perform 7.5 million virtual Surya Namaskar all over the world. As you know, Surya Namaskar is a form of sun salutation, is a spiritual practice, is a set of asana, pranayam and meditation techniques in combination of 12 steps. Today, we are a part of this mega project being organized under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to celebrate 75 years of progressive India and glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. So we would practice Surya Namaskar along with our colleagues. I may like to add here that today 7.5 virtual Surya Namaskar is a part of project that is 750 million Surya Namaskar, which has already commenced on 1st January 2022 and would continue till 20th February 2022. You are requested to register yourself on the portals, the details of which are shared on the Embassy of India social media, in order to make this project a grand success. I may also like to add here that Government of India has announced a Akam quiz, which is on virtual mode, and it is for the public between the age 14 to 35 years of age, and it is under 3 categories. One is NRI, second is OCI national, and third is foreign nationals. It is my humble request to all of you to please register yourself on this quiz, whosoever is between 14 years and 35 years of age. And lastly, I take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to members of Indian Association Cambodia who have come forward to participate today in this program despite their busy schedule. We are also grateful to the Municipal Authority Phnom Penh who have given permission for this space at such a short notice. Once again, thanks a lot to each one of you. Stay safe, be healthy and take precautions to fight COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.